No Chill Chat checking in. Just doing a little project that I've been meaning to do for a while. So I have a 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. Everything was all black. There were just a couple chrome pieces on the vehicle. So I've kind of just been taking my time buying all the black emblems and de-badging and things like that. So today, I've got a couple questions every once in a while, like, how did I get it off so clean? So just want to do a little quick little video of me de-badging my Ram, or the Ram logo, the chrome logo on the vehicle. As you can see, chrome logo, rest of the truck is black. The Cummins emblem that came with it was chrome. I removed that one, bought the black emblem, same thing with the hood. But with this one, I'm gonna remove these and I'm not going to replace them, all right? So first things first, you gotta remove them. I just use just a regular pry tool. Some people use fishing wire. Whatever it really takes. If you do use something like this, make sure you put a cloth behind it so that you're not scratching your paint. Weird thing about this was that it was these were actually some pretty easy emblems to pull off, so I really didn't have to worry about putting anything behind it. So these are pretty easy. And I'm not really worried about leaving any type of residue. I'll show you guys how that goes. And I'm not planning on reusing these, so it's actually cheaper to buy new ones than trying to reuse them. For like a big emblem, you definitely want to use like some fishing wire, the proper way to do it. I'm just showing you, how I'm doing it. Screwdriver definitely would probably mess with the paint, so. So there you have that. I'll tape on the back, use these as trophies or paperweights. I've seen people put these other places of their car. They might put on an interior, a personal item. They just put some 3M tape on the back and tape it down, but I'm throwing mine away. So now we just have, of course, 3M tape left. And what I'm gonna do is use my handy dandy eraser, my eraser wheel. You can find these on Amazon. You can get them at the parts store. I got mine on Amazon for maybe like $14 or something like that. $12, $9. Pretty cheap, but this definitely comes in handy. So I'm gonna just show you guys, show you my steps to doing it. Shout out to my painter, Richie Rich. He actually showed me how to do this. I was working for him, and he had me doing this on the vehicle. And I was like, wow, I've been doing it wrong all my life. So what you're gonna do is use your eraser wheel, put it up to a impact or any type of power tool that you have, really. And what you're gonna do is just lay the wheel kind of at like an angle. And you don't want to be too fast, no fast RPMs. You want to keep it at a moderate speed, and then you kind of just rub on the end of it. And after a while, you'll start to see this little edge kind of bevel the more you use it. And then actually, there's a little line right here to let you know once you use all of this is where you need to stop on your eraser wheel. All right, so let's get started. Literally, it starts to like melt off. The best way so y'all can see it. Takes a little patience, but this right here is a lot easier than Goo Gone or, you know, any of that. It's just literally, it just kind of just erases it. You'll just keep on doing this until you really kind of get most of the 3M tape off. You may see like a little imprint of where the emblem was as far as the outline. And just try to get it off as best as you can. If you can't, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to get that off in a second. As you see my speed, I'm not going like, and I'm not going too slow. It's just keeping at a steady little pace, because you don't want to burn through your paint, especially on a new car, right? So pretty much got the R taken care of. I still see the imprint of where the R was, but like I said, just get it off as best as you can. And see that. So it looks a little ugly, don't worry. And then you're just gonna repeat that process for E&M. All right, so just hold tight. Now I've got the RAM removed, and you'll see there's a little imprint from where the R and the A and the M were. If you can't get it off, don't worry about it. So I'm pretty much done with that. Next, what I use is some rubbing compound. So I just got some Turtle Wax premium rubbing compound that I always use. And you can use your hand, you can use whatever you want to use. Me personally, I like to use my buffer. I'm not even sure what this pad is called, but it's not the real soft one. It's like the little semi-soft textured, you know, has a little grit to it. Not like a sandpaper grit, but you know, it has like a cotton, like a real cheap cotton t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Strap that on. Shake well. And I just put like 3 little dabs, whatever. Maybe 4. 4 drops. And I just kind of put it on there. Now turn it on. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of buff across really kind of just work it in there, and then you're gonna start kind of holding the mitt at an angle to really get into that groove that's developed from where the emblem was. Depending on how, you know, how new or old your car is, you know, maybe a little tougher. You may have to do this once or twice. It just depends. After a while, all those lines that you were seeing are live. So literally, you're starting to see the metallic in the paint, and you don't see where the R and the A and the M were. And then after that, what I normally do is I just take me some detail sprays. I just come through it. Just make sure I get any compound that's left over. And then literally, you really got a nice little shine going on. And you'll really start to see how soft the paint is too. This is very similar to how they do like a paint correction and things like that. Paint is real soft. Rather than, I can feel how smooth it is here. You feel how rough it is. So really, you know, this truck needs a buff, but that's pretty much how you do it. But all right, guys, that was just a little quick something I was doing today because I got bored. I got tired of seeing that little chrome on there. I'm supposed to be doing the chrome delete on my mirrors and on my grill because my goal is really to just black out my truck completely. But yeah, you can definitely see that looks a lot better. And then I have to get my mirror soon, but nice little shine right there. All right, should do No Chill Chad. Don't worry, I need to go get a haircut soon. But like, share, subscribe. Let me know if this helped you with you doing like a delete of your badges or anything like that, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. See you guys later.